Hi guys, welcome to Pradev's channel. Hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. In this video, we will understand what is term insurance and the things you need to know before you apply for term insurance. So let's understand what is term insurance. So term insurance is an insurance where it is mainly bought to protect the loved ones if something happens to the insurer. So let's discuss why it's required. So not many people take this seriously, or like they may think like why I am already healthy and all that. But it's really important to safeguard your family, and it's mainly to make sure that your family is secured. So when something happens to the insurer, so it's very important to take this so that after if something happens to the insurer, the amount will be given to the beneficiary, which can be used for the children's education or for the daily expenses. So now you know what is term insurance, why it is required. So the next question is when to buy. So if you ask me when to buy, so I would say it is as soon as possible. The reason is, as you get older, the term insurance premium will get increased. The reason is, like if you are 30 years old now, so you may get premium of $30, right? And if you are like 40 years old and your premium may be 80, the reason is, if you are 40 years, like chances of getting sick is high, and even like you are already old, right? So insurance company will consider all these details, like not only your age, there are a lot of things they will consider, your health history, and they will get all the records from your doctor and your driving history, and I will cover all that things. But if you ask me when to buy, I would say better do it as soon as possible. And next thing you need to know is who is eligible for this term insurance. So anyone who is 18 plus older, they can buy. Like they should be minimum of 18 years old. So now let's see what to know before we apply for term insurance. Two things you need to know when you are applying for term insurance. One is insured amount, how much amount you want to insure, and second is for how long. Like what is the term of your insurance? Is it like 20 years, 30 years, or 10 years? So let's see how you can decide, how you can choose how much amount you need and how much term you need. So the very important thing is, like when you are buying a term insurance, you need to know how much amount you want to insure and for how long, right? So if you go for an agent and the agent will say like, yeah, insure for 2 million or 3 million or 1 million, right? And go for 20 years or 30 years, right? So but the thing is, you need to decide how much amount you need and how many years. Okay, so let's talk about, first thing we will talk about how much amount you need to insure, right? You can't just go with what agent says. You need to know how much amount you need, your family need, if something happens to you, right? So let's check what are the different things, what are the different options you have, how you can decide on amount. So this is one of the way you can calculate how much amount you want to insure, is multiply your annual salary into number of years left for retirement. And second way you can decide your insured amount is, so which normally 6 to 10 times of your annual salary. So normally you can go with 10 times of your annual salary. Okay, and the next way you can decide amount is, so these are the different categories like which you can decide how much insured amount is. Like one is how many kids you have and their education fees, right? And your mortgage, if you have a house, how much mortgage you have, how much it is pending, and how much you have already paid, and if you have any other loans, how much you have to pay, and also if you have any debt or credit card, if there is anything, or and also the money family needs for daily expenses. So you can consider, calculate everything, and you can come up with the insured amount. So the next thing is, like you need to decide what is the term of your insurance, like how many years you want to take this insurance. So normally the options you will have is 10 years, 20 years and 30 years. So most of the companies, insurance company, they give max 30 years. There are insurance which they give insurance till 70 years and 80 years, right? So I will come to that. but mostly it will be 10, 20 or 30 years, right? So now let's discuss how many years you need, right? So the main reason you are taking this insurance is mainly to secure your family, right, till the retirement, right? So normally what I have seen is the recommended is you have to take the insurance how many years left for your retirement. Like take example, you are like 40 years old now, and if you are retiring at 65, so what is the difference? 65 minus 40, it is 25 years, right? So you have to take your insurance for 25 years. So the main thing you are taking this insurance is, so when you are working, right, when you are working, if something happens to you, who will take care of your family, right? After retirement, see, anyways you are already retired, and also your kid would have already went to college, or they might have already married, and they would have already started their life, right? They are not dependent on you, right? And also for your spouse, you might have already saved money in the retirement which your spouse can use. Okay, so the bottom line, right, it is like you have to take the term how many years left for your retirement. So now you know what is term insurance and what are the details you should be aware of. So now the next step is how to apply, right? To apply, so you have to go to Google and search for term insurance code. And when you search for term insurance code, and you will get lot of details, right? Lot of different companies, and go for state forms, right? So state forms, so just enter all the details like how I am entering here. So right away you will get a code, right? And then you can apply, but this is just for your information how much the quote you may get, right? So enter all these details, and your quote will come up. So after entering all the details, so this is the quote I got for 10 years. I got $29, and which is for 500k, right? So this quote is just for your information. So what you can do is, if you really want to start, you can decide on whichever company you need, but I applied in AIG Direct. So what you can do is, you can go to AIG Direct website, okay, and enter all the details. So if you see here, I'm searching for that AIG. If you see, the first one you get is AIG Direct, so which is like around 100 years company, and we can trust, because these insurance company, you can't just go with any company, right? You need to know about that company, and we have to trust that. So here what you can do is enter all the details and click on free quote. What happens is, you will get a call. So you will not get a quote here, but you will get a call from an agent, right, to get all the details. So what the agent will do is, he will get all the details about you, right, and he will give you a quote. So that is the initial step. This is the just starting step, okay, and let's discuss what happens after that. So once you provide all the details to agent, and once you get your initial code, the next step is you need to go through a medical exam. So this medical exam will be done by a third party company, and you no need to pay anything. The insurance company will pay, and the agent will book for an appointment. So let's understand what are the different checks done in medical exam. So when that examiner comes to your house, right, they come up with lot of documents, and also they take a lot of readings, right? So first thing is, right, like they will check your blood pressure, okay, and also they will ask lot of details about your health history, and they will go till 5 years back, right? So in 5 years back, if you had any surgery or any accident, and also it's not only your health details, they also get your driving history, if you had any accident or tickets and all that. So and they will get your blood samples to test everything, and also they will get your urine sample, and even they took a lot of details about my parents, and if their health condition and if they had any like diabetes, heart attack, cancer, and all the detail. Like it went till around 30 minutes. They got all the details and they got all my signatures and all that. So I mean, like it's not that easy. So insurance company will not give you the insured amount that easily. So they get all these details, records, and all that from you. So this is what happened, and it took around 30 minutes for all these checks. Once the medical exam is done, so to get results, it may take 1 week to get the medical exam results. You will get a link or you will get an email where you can check your medical exam results, and after that it will go for underwriting, right? So where I think someone will check all your documents, everything, to decide like are you eligible or how much, what will be your premium and all that. So to complete that process, like it may take around 5 to 6 weeks. So that's what they said, right? So it will take 6 weeks to decide, and then you will get your actual quote, right? For whatever the details you submitted, whatever the age and whatever the amount and term you gave, right? So then you will get your final quote. So that will be your premium which you need to pay per month. So once that is done, so next process is you will continue with the application, and you will be done with that, and every month you will continue to pay your premium. I hope this video was helpful, and whatever the things I shared, this is from my personal experience and the process I went through on the term insurance. Hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also for more videos. And if you like and comment, it will be really helpful for me